If you've ever wished for an easier, faster way to tackle tough cleaning jobs around the house, this electric scrubbing tool might be exactly what you need. Designed to make your cleaning routine more efficient, this compact yet powerful brush is perfect for everything from scrubbing dirty dishes to polishing sink fixtures, stovetops, tiles, and even bathroom mirrors. With its ergonomic handle and one-touch operation, it fits comfortably in your hand, allowing you to clean longer without fatigue. The motorized head rotates quickly to lift away stubborn grime, dried food, soap scum, and stains. No more endless scrubbing with sponges or manual brushes. It comes with multiple interchangeable heads, so you can switch between soft pads for delicate surfaces and bristles for tougher messes in seconds. Lightweight and cordless, it's ideal for everyday tasks, deep cleaning sessions, or even on-the-go tidying. Whether you're refreshing your kitchen, detailing your bathroom, or giving surfaces a sparkling finish, this tool turns chore time into less of a hassle and a lot more satisfying. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever cleaned without it. This 5-in-1 multifunctional slicer is made to make everyday cooking feel effortless. Instead of juggling knives and endless cutting boards, you just place your ingredients inside, press down, and in seconds, everything is neatly sliced or grated. The motion feels light and smooth, and the built-in holder keeps your hands safe the whole time. What makes it even better is how clean it keeps your space. Everything falls right into the container, so there's no scattered pieces and no messy countertop. After you're done, it takes just a moment to rinse and put away. It's one of those tools that saves you time, keeps things tidy, and makes preparing a meal feel less like a chore and more like a simple part of the day. Cooking often starts with chopping, and that usually takes the most time. This slicer turns it into a quick, easy step. With one press, your ingredients are cut into even pieces and collected neatly in the box below, keeping your counter clean. The 6 interchangeable blades give you options for slices, cubes, or thicker cuts, and the sturdy design keeps it safe and steady while you work. When you're done, just lift out the box, rinse it, and it's ready to use again. A simple tool that makes everyday prep faster, cleaner, and much more convenient. Support and rest, always within reach. This foldable walking chair stick transforms from a stable walking cane into a comfortable seat in seconds. Lightweight yet durable, with anti-slip rubber feet for safety on any surface. Perfect for elderly users, travelers, or anyone who needs a quick break on the go. Easy to fold, carry, and store. No tools needed. Stay independent, stay comfortable, wherever life takes you. Your cozy space deserves to feel fresh, clean, and truly dust-free. This compact yet powerful device goes beyond surface cleaning by targeting what your eyes can't see: microscopic mites, dust, and allergens hiding deep in your fabrics. With its UV sterilization and strong suction, it doesn't just clean, it purifies. Whether you're working on your mattress, sofa, or carpet, it glides smoothly and quietly, delivering thorough cleaning without the bulky hassle of traditional vacuums. The ergonomic handle and cordless design make it incredibly easy to maneuver, while the transparent dust container gives instant feedback on just how much it's capturing. It's the kind of tool you didn't know you needed until you experience how fresh your home feels afterward. Turn the rollers, roll out a new challenge. This little gadget makes math fun, fast, and hands-on. No screens, no stress, just spin to create endless combinations of addition, subtraction, and more. Each twist brings a new problem, keeping minds active and engaged without ever feeling like homework. Perfect for kids who are learning, parents looking for interactive tools, or adults who want to stay sharp. Whether you're in a classroom, at home, or on the go, it's compact, playful, and way more satisfying than a worksheet. Math practice made simple and honestly, a little addictive. Built for travelers, gym goers, and daily adventurers, this spacious yet lightweight bag redefines convenience. With a sleek foldable design, it takes up virtually no space when not in use, but expands into a roomy travel companion when needed. Whether you're heading to the airport, packing for a weekend getaway, or just need extra space for shopping, this bag flexes to fit your life. The multiple compartments help you stay organized. From the main section that fits clothes and shoes to smaller pockets, perfect for your phone, chargers, passport, or toiletries. The rear strap easily slides over your suitcase handle, turning it into the perfect carry-on. Water-resistant fabric keeps your items protected from sudden weather changes, while the reinforced stitching and durable zippers ensure it stands up to everyday use. And when the trip's over, Just fold it back into its compact form and tuck it away. No bulk, no hassle, just a smart, stylish way to carry more without weighing yourself down. If recovery is slow or hand strength just isn't what it used to be, this glove steps in to help, literally. The automatic hand trainer gently moves your fingers for you, helping rebuild motion, strength, and coordination without causing stress or pain. Just slip it on, adjust the speed and force levels, and let the smart system guide your hand through controlled exercises. It's especially helpful for stroke recovery, post-surgery rehab, arthritis, or nerve damage. The lightweight design makes it easy to wear daily, and it's quiet enough to use while watching TV or reading. Consistent movement leads to steady progress, and this glove makes that consistency effortless.